Hey, it's Jennifer Sparks, and today I'm going to be giving you a little tour around the beautiful Burlington, Vermont. Burlington is very north of Vermont. It's pretty close to Canada, and it's situated on Lake Champlain, which I'm going to be showing you later in this video. See, you can see it back there in the distance. This video is a driving tour and a walking tour. I'm going to be taking you for a drive. We're going to be parking. We're going to be taking a walk through College Street Marketplace. It's a very, very cool place for shopping and dining. Burlington is a pretty big college town. Some colleges here are the University of Vermont, as well as Burlington College and Champlain College. There were some parking lots that you could pay to stay at, but we ended up parking on the street at a meter. I believe it was 25 cents for every 15 minutes. As you see, Church Street Marketplace is a really cool place to go walking. It's nice and flat. There are no cars. We saw a couple of UPS, FedEx vehicles coming through here. Obviously, you got to get your stuff somehow, but it's not a road per se, so it's a really nice place to go walking. We were here visiting the beginning of April 2022. It was probably about 50 degrees and sunny. You know, it's going to be a little chillier. We're almost in Canada, so my home state in Connecticut, flowers are starting to bloom. It was starting to feel like spring, and then we went to Vermont, and it was kind of like winter again. But this wasn't a bad day. It was about 50 degrees this day. As you may notice, there's a lot of stores, a lot of restaurants. We're going to be having a little quick lunch over at Church Street Tavern. Do you live in Burlington or go there often? Or have you never been there and are researching it because you want to see what Burlington's like? Let me know in the comments below. And if you have anything you want to add to this video, feel free. This is my only second time coming here. I really don't know too much about it. I'm actually researching it as I'm making this video. And if you're new to my channel and this is the first time you're watching my videos and you like this video, can you do me a favor and please hit the subscribe button? I travel all the time and I love to make videos like this to help other people with their future travel plans. I was personally staying in Waitsville at Eagle's Nest Resorts, and I will be having a full video of that probably after I finish this one. Waitsville is a very cool town as well. It was probably about a 45-minute ride to Burlington. Also about 40 minutes away is Stowe, Vermont, which I've stayed at before and have videos. I'll leave a playlist at the end of this video of all my trips to Vermont for anybody that may be interested. Now I'm going to take you guys out to lunch. We're going to go to Church Street Tavern. We have been here before and we remembered how wonderful the Bloody Marys were. So, hey, why not? It was 11:30 in the morning and we were going to be spending a lot of time walking around Burlington this day, and it was a little chilly, so it was a good way to start the day. My husband had the chicken fingers and I had the French onion soup. All were very, very delicious. So we're going to be heading down to the riverfront right now, where we're going to go see Waterfront Park and the very beautiful Lake Champlain. Church Street Marketplace is very walkable to Waterfront Park, but it isn't flat. It's on an incline. So you're going to be going down as you're walking towards the water and going up as you're walking back to your car, if that's where you choose to park. Or if you prefer, you could come down here and find parking as well. Some highlights around here is a beautiful boardwalk. There's also a restaurant called Splash that was not open when I was there, but it's right on the water. They also have sunset cruises. They have a museum with animals for kids. You know, there's a lot to do down here in this area. Across the lake, you'll find New York Adirondack Mountains. That's a tongue twister always for me. On the left, you're going to see the sunset cruise, and straight ahead, we're going to be taking a little peek at Splash. This place looks really cool, but it was not open. Going to take you on a little tour, walking on the boardwalk, which was very flat and very easy to navigate. We were walking back to our car and we saw a sign for Battery Park. We're like, hey, let's go. While walking there, I had to discover the Courtyard Marriott and the Hilton. So if you are going to stay there, these are two hotels that are probably pretty popular. I know a lot of colleges are here, so there's probably a lot of parents that stay at these places while bringing their kids back and forth to school. This was a little walkway. It's a little bit hilly though. It's like the same thing as before. It's a big incline up and a big incline down. And that's it. Wow, that was fast. Some of the videos I make are like 40 minutes and it feels like forever to voice them over. This was only 8 minutes. The rest of this video is going to be just us driving in the car. So if you want to see what Burlington looks like, we're going to go past some colleges and head on our way back to Waitsfield, Vermont. I really enjoyed our stay at Burlington. I definitely would go back there again. I would hope to go there when it's a little warmer, maybe possibly take the sunset cruise and sit outside and dine. It was a little chilly, but you know what? In wintertime, it's probably below 0. So I'll take the 50 degrees. It was fine, but it was really good. Vermont is awesome. The people are so nice. The food is fantastic. I mean, like really, really good chef, farm to table places, cozy places. I can't wait to make my next video, which is going to show places we dined in Vermont. So that's what I have to look forward to next. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, if you could please hit the like button and the subscribe button, that would rock. I really appreciate it. Nice hanging out with you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. If you are still with me, you are the biggest rock star ever. I'm going to leave several of my channels here on these playlists. One is going to be about my driving tours. One is going to be about my channel about Connecticut. And I'm also going to leave a playlist about my visits to Vermont. This is your host, Jennifer Sparks. Be well to yourself and be well to others. Safe travels to you.